comes to mind. Are there any tools that were at different stage of testing, Jess, that come to mind for you, that we're seeing use of within the agency?
Yeah, I think content is the biggest section. When we think about our services, kind of like Paul's saying, like when we simplify it, say, what are we really good at? Our team, the majority of our team has a writing background, journalists, and we're doing storytelling for our clients, whatever that can consist of is, the strategy, the actual production, and the promotion of that content. So that's where I would say Market Muse is cool for helping you with the strategy, figuring out what to write and why, the actual production. And then the other texts that come to mind are more for that promotion side. So helping people find your content, tools like Phrase are cool for that. It's a kind of like a search for your website through chat. So when someone asks you a question on your website, instead of setting up, if they ask this, the answer is that. If they go this way, show these 4 products to ask what they want more about. Phrase does that sort of lift for you by indexing and understanding what content is already on your site. So for our business, who's producing a lot of content for our clients, we want people to be able to find and engage with that content and really use the content. We don't want to write it once and let it go. So Phrase is a cool tech that indexes what you have on your site and then actually turns it up in a chat result. So someone can ask, what are the best texts for content marketing on the Institute site, and then Phrase would read what we've written about that topic, choose an actual snippet of a post that might answer that question, and then say, here's where I got that answer from. So instead of just sending you to a search page where you're seeing results of 20 articles about the topic, or sending you to a link and then you don't know where exactly the answer would be on that page, it actually is pulling that out. I think that's really cool. And I also think paid, we're doing a little bit with a few texts there. So like Pattern 89, for example, WordStream, for example.
I know our teams have loved WordStream. I know that's one we're just like, doesn't do a ton, but it's just like recommending ways to improve. And it seems like that's really helping some of our clients, especially with smaller budgets, which people always worry about. Is like, is this just a big budget thing? It's like, no, we have clients spending like $3,000 a month or less than that in some cases.